What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Lee's Life. We have to keep up with the Joneses sometimes. I like bringing content like this, but it's a big old mess in here. You can see all this stuff everywhere. What I did was, I said, you know what? We'll run to my Home Depot. I'm gonna get some stuff. We're gonna make it look like a studio. So we're gonna get a little bit more professional for you guys because you deserve it. All right, so this was my barbecue room, all my barbecue trophies. So we're gonna take all this, we're gonna turn it into this. All right, first piece of equipment. Needed a key light. So I just said, you know what? Let's get a man's key light. Something I can use around the shop. So I can charge this guy up, can flick it on. We have different brightnesses. We have different color temperatures. So I'll be using a 5,000 Kelvin. Ooh, that's bright. We'll probably turn her down a little bit. So these move any way you want them. You can only use one. You can fold these in like this. They turn off, so you can only use one if you want to. So it throws a pretty diffuse pattern of light. So it's kind of nice. So that's our key light situation. So then I said, well, we need some ambient lighting like everybody else has. So why not? Hashtag Home Depot. So we have these lights here. I have that light there. I can throw any color I want to back here on the wall. So next thing I'm gonna do, rearrange all this stuff to make a little more sense for the channel. This is all barbecue trophies. I need to clean this little area up over here. Probably gonna wipe these off and leave them there. Maybe turn a couple of these around because these are some of my little prized possessions. Anyway, got some decor we're gonna change. And then after these two lights, we need a edge light. So that takes us to this. So this is the edge light. So same thing, another floodlight that you can change any of the colors you want to in the floodlights. So you can change any of the colors you want to with that. It's all hooked to my phone. You can use these right here. So they all use hub space. I can connect it into any shade of white that I would like or any color that I'd like. So this is the one I chose to use for the edge lighting. I also had to add a switch to turn this light off in here so I can get some light just from the key light. So we added the switch. So now I can turn this off, leave that out there on so I can come in here and just have this light for my filming and it's dark enough. All right, next thing you're gonna need, just an old white table. Just a folding table is fine. And any old chair, because nobody's gonna see what you're sitting in, they don't care. So, got an extension cord running. So I'm running all my lights to around the sides. It don't have to look pretty because nobody's gonna see it. When I get through, you'll be like, oh, okay, I see what you're talking about now. So just hang tight. We also have another unsung hero, the tripod. So to hold the phone in, that's hanging out. All right, I also got fancy. I went to my local Walmart and we got a white sheet. So we'll be doing unboxings and things on the sheet. So it'll have a nice little background. So we'll put that over the table. All right, so if there's one thing I've learned about YouTube is everything's an illusion. So everything's not what it seems. So here we go. Here's my lighting setup. All right, so we got the key light hanging. We just got that red light over there blasting out over here. Got our blue light blasting out. Like everybody else, we got a little signage in the back making some kind of ambient lighting. Got my key light setting up right there. So that's at the 45, like everybody says. That's coming back towards my other side of my face. So this is gonna brighten one side of the face. This is gonna, like, and the shadow would be here, but then this is going to lighten the other side of my face back up. Because I know that's what y'all wanna see is my face. Anyway, so we got the Weber Redhead and the PK Grill Duchess over there chilling out. I just don't know what else to put up here. So we got some guitars, man cave, barbecue stuff. That's pretty much life stuff. So anyway, we'll probably add to it as we go, but this is where she's gonna live now. So on the other side, we got another couple Webers. We got the 26-inch and then a green Weber. So I just didn't feel like moving that. I'm kind of over it. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna film a little video. So we got the tripod here, we got the camera there. So the video is gonna be shot looking like about like this. So we're gonna zoom in just enough in cinematic mode to where you're not gonna see anything. No lights, no cords, no nothing. Just me and a nice looking background. You won't even see the stuff behind me that's sitting on that table. All right, guys, so that's my Home Depot light setup. I think it looks pretty good, especially considering I only spent 50 bucks, probably another 15, 30. I probably got like maybe $120, $150 in the setup. Not bad. So if we have a birthday party, you can always use these lights to light up some stuff. If I'm working on something outside, I can use that light to, you know, light up cars or whatever. So anyway, so if you got anything out of this video, don't forget, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for all the follows and the likes and the comments. So thank y'all very much. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe. Click the bell for notifications.